little honey vlogs, and welcome in to unbox the Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar, day number 4. If it is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to see more girly pink, light-hearted and Christmassy content, and welcome to our family of sweet honey vlogs. I'm so excited to open up our 4th day, 3 more doors for today. Last episode we had some clothing for our wonderful plushy rabbit. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see what's inside the next slots. So yeah, let's just get right into this. So here's a handy dandy hand cam. So yesterday we opened days 7, 8 and 9. So today we're going to do 10, 11 and 12, which 10 is some clothing, 11 is a big new square, and 12 is one of the new clothing items as well. So yes, let's get right into this. Let's do day 10. I should, before we start, get some scissors, because we remember from last time that everything is so strapped into this calendar. In fact, every door is tied in with kind of plastic ties, which is quite interesting. Here we go. So number 10, this door here. Let's get in. What is this? Oh wait, is that what I think it is? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's give this a snip. Snip. Oh, and out it comes. I hope. Yes. Perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's a little coffee cup. Well, this one's a hot chocolate cup, I think. And I think this is supposed to go on our friend Flopsy here. So let's add this to her arm. So we can, she can have a little hot chocolate. There we go. It's on. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look so cute? Oh, what a sweetie. Oh, what a cutie pie. Okay, let's move her little flopsy back. Oh, she looks so cute in that outfit. And with the little coffee cup. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was day 10. Now day 11 is on the other side of the calendar. Over here. You see day 11 just in there. We're going to open that up. Ooh. And oh my gosh! Look, it's a polar bear! Oh my goodness. Okay, alright. Let's do a quick little snip to release him, free him from his confines. We're going to put the calendar down so you can see him properly. There we go. Look! Oh my goodness! What a cute little polar bear. Isn't he adorable? That's so cute. And so far, friends-wise, we have the little Freddy bear there. We have our Flopsy rabbit. And then we also have this cute little polar bear to join the crew. This is so Christmassy. I love that they're all kind of in these little Christmassy gym jams. That's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Okay. So now we have him. Let's pop him to one side whilst we get the calendar back out. And for our last day today, we have... Who do we have next? It's number 12. Let me get that in shot for you. You see that okay? I think so. Just about, right? Here we go. Up. Oh, what what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a top. It's a top for our friend. So I'm going to just unclip this. Oh, little snip. And that should let that free. Look! Oh my goodness! A little cute top. Oh, he's so sweet. Look at that. I love the tartan heart on the front. And again, this is lovely and soft. There's no Velcro in the back, so we're just going to have to kind of squeeze it onto him. That's alright. That's okay with me. Okay. So, let's get him dressed. And I'll do it off camera so you don't have to watch me struggle. Alright. There we go. This is him in his little shirt. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. It's so cozy. I love how all of these are fantastic size to keep in your handbag or just on your desk during the festive season. Very excited to have these little guys around this year. But yeah, he's so gorgeous. Let's have a little look at the back there, and it's just nice and plain. I'm very excited to see what trousies they give our little polar bear friend. But isn't he so sweet? He's so cute! Ah! So adorable. Okay. And that was all from the calendar today. We have 3 friends now. Oh my goodness. Hold the line. There we go. 3 friends. 3 friends all together now. And they all fit together nicely. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. So yes, I'm very excited to see what tomorrow brings. I suppose it'll be more clothes for Mr. Polar Bear here. And that'll be so exciting. I'm very excited to see the end day as well, which we'll be getting to at the end of this week. So yeah, look forward to seeing you. And thank you so much for coming today, my little honey blocks. And we'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.